Look closely at how we first learned to capture sound. It wasn't an elegant process. It was a physical, mechanical war between a heavy steel needle and a spinning groove of brittle wax. You didn't just press a button, you had to fight for the sound. You wound the machine by hand, forcing tension into a stiff metal spring, and if you stopped paying attention, the music simply died. The equipment was massive, carved from heavy wood and cast iron, delicate yet entirely at the mercy of the elements. You couldn't just summon a song out of the ether. You had to own the heavy, fragile disc, carry it with absolute care, and pray the needle didn't skip or tear the recording to shreds. We built giant, cumbersome furniture just to hold on to an echo. But human nature doesn't settle for friction. Slowly, we started to optimize the machine. We took the raw, physical vibration and compressed it. We moved from spinning wax to magnetic tape, winding miles of fragile brown ribbon through heavy metal decks with dual spinning reels. Then, we broke the sound down entirely. We turned the harmony into an invisible algorithm. We converted raw human emotion into cold binary code, storing thousands of lifetimes of music in tiny translucent shards of plastic and glowing glass. The physical device, the player itself, slowly began to vanish. It shrank into a sleek, windowless slab in your pocket, pulling flawless audio down from a silent, invisible global network. We finally conquered the physical weight of music. But we didn't stop at the ear. We realized the human ear was just a biological limitation, an unnecessary bottleneck. So we completely bypassed it. We engineered tiny wearable nodes that vibrated the music straight through the bone. Then came the neural implants that painted sound directly onto the mind. We stopped playing music inside a room and started manipulating the very molecular frequency of the air itself. We turned listeners into pure, passive receivers. The player became a localized atmospheric generator, projecting invisible domes of perfect acoustic energy without a single speaker or wire. Then the technology scaled into the impossible. We stopped moving air and started folding reality. We built quantum synthesizers that shifted their physical geometry in real time. What's interesting is we engineered reality tuning engines that used dark energy and gravity wells to warp the fabric of space just to carry a melody. We tore dimensional holes through space-time, creating perfectly silent, absolute zero voids that held infinite libraries of cosmic sound. The machines became ethereal, ghostly outlines of pure light, impossible tesseracts holding endless loops of eternity, and fractal liquid metal that rippled to the beat of the universe. We pushed the technology to the absolute edge of existence, and at the very peak, the ultimate player isn't a piece of hardware at all. It's a floating, infinitely complex sphere of blinding golden light, a beacon of transcendent cosmic harmony that doesn't just play a song, it makes you feel as though you engineered the universe itself. We didn't just conquer sound, we became it.